Welcome to Sister's Kitchen India. To subscribe my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button to get daily notifications.
Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to prepare Matar Paneer. So let's check it how we are going to prepare. To prepare Matar Paneer, first I'm going to fry our paneer cubes in this oil. Here we have taken 250 grams of paneer. I'll be frying them for almost 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now I'm going to take them out into another container and I'll be frying our green peas in the same oil. To make the gravy, here I have taken the same oil in which I am adding some whole spices. I am adding some bay leaves, some cumin seeds, cardamom, cinnamon stick and some cloves. I'll fry them for some seconds and after that I'll be adding some chopped onions into this and I'll be frying them for almost 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can see friends, it has turned into golden brown. Now I'm going to add a paste in which I have added 2 big onions, some ginger, some garlic cloves and 2 red chilies. You can add green chilies if you want. Now I'm going to cook this mixture for some time till it becomes little dry. After 10 minutes, now I'm going to add some powder spices into this. I'm adding some salt. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder into this, and I'll mix them properly. As you can see, the gravy has become quite thick. Now I'm going to add the next ingredient into this, which is some chopped tomatoes. Here I am adding 2 big chopped tomatoes into this, and next I'm adding some chopped green chilies into this. Now I'll be cooking it till the tomatoes become little mushy. As you can see friends, the tomatoes has become little tender. Now I'm going to add our fried peas and paneer pieces into this and I'll mix them properly, and after mixing them I'll be cooking it for almost 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it has started boiling. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder on top of it and some coriander leaves. Lastly, I'm adding some butter, and our Matar Paneer is absolutely ready to serve.